Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum. Pet hair's worst nightmare, dirt's greatest fear. Tired of wrestling with dust bunnies and pet hair? Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away, your ultimate cleaning sidekick. This powerful upright vacuum comes equipped with a detachable pod for above-floor cleaning, tackling stairs and furniture with ease. The HEPA filter and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal trap 99.9% of allergens, making it a dream for allergy sufferers. With swivel steering, an XL dust cup, and versatile attachments like the pet power brush and crevice tool, it's your go-to for carpet, hardwood, and even delicate surfaces. Say goodbye to mess and hello to effortless cleaning power. What makes the Shark Navigator superior? For starters, its lift-away functionality gives you the freedom to conquer hard-to-reach spots without breaking a sweat. Whether it's dander on the couch or cobwebs on the ceiling, this vacuum is your versatile hero. The Brushroll Shutoff ensures gentle care for bare floors while delivering deep cleaning on plush carpets. No more switching tools mid-clean, this vacuum has all the versatility you need in one sleek package. Plus, it's corded, so you never have to worry about battery life. Pet owners, rejoice! The Shark Navigator was practically designed with you in mind. The Pet Power brush tackles stubborn fur and dander with ease, leaving your upholstery spotless and fresh. Its powerful suction eliminates debris from every corner of your home, no matter how many paws are running around. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it glides effortlessly under furniture and around obstacles. With this vacuum, your floors and furniture will look showroom ready in no time. Durability and ease of maintenance make the Shark Navigator a standout investment. The washable HEPA filter and foam filters are simple to clean, ensuring peak performance without constant replacements. The XL dust cup holds more debris, letting you clean longer without frequent trips to the trash. Its high-quality build guarantees lasting reliability, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. Affordable and tech-tested, it's a cleaning machine you can trust to deliver every time. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Shark Navigator combines cutting-edge technology, ergonomic design, and unbeatable performance in one stylish package. Customers rave about its suction power, maneuverability, and ease of use. From stubborn pet hair to fine dust, it gets the job done like a pro. Whether you're cleaning high, low, or anywhere in between, this vacuum delivers results that'll leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. Grab yours today and make every clean a Shark clean.